Today we're replacing that screen to make it look like that. Ready? Let's go. So today we are going to use this screen replacement kit. Got it from Menards. I will link it, and then I'll link a comparable Amazon option too, in case that's more accessible to you. So we got you covered. We're going to be replacing this screen. That's what we're doing. Here's the end result we're going for. Ooh, so pretty, way better. Kind of dirty, but that's okay. All right, we gotta remove this black stuff, this black tubing that's keeping it in place. That is called the spline. We're gonna use our little super teeny tiny screwdriver, because that's what we've got, and we're gonna find where these were put in. And look at that big gap right in there. See that? They didn't even bring it to the edge. I don't know that it really matters, but they didn't. So we're gonna get this up. You can see the tiny little strip of screen left there. Pull it up. It really doesn't take too much force. There we go, old spline. And then this old screen, not doing anything for us, right? Giant hole, so we're just gonna take that out. We don't need it. Get your apprentice cat to help with this if you can. Obviously that's an ideal situation. So in our kit, we got the screen, we got the new spline, and it also came with this tool. And that's to push in the screen to provide an indent, and then the other side kind of has this channel in it. You can see that. And that's to push the spline. The spline fits in that channel. First steps, we need to size out our screen. You want to leave about an inch on each side, I heard. So this is like perfect, just perfectly sized for this screen. Make sure that's nice and straight in there. And then if you want, you can use some tape to secure it down. I've got some gaff tape. This is what happens when you marry a film producer guy. So it's sticky, it'll hold it in place, but it's not going to damage anything. And we're just going to run that end, the outward curved end, through all of the channels. Make sure you've got the side with the little channel. I'm just gonna pop that. That's nice and snug in there. Yeah. We've got a nice, good amount to save for later. Then we're gonna use our little utility knife blade. And we're gonna trim the excess. So we're gonna trim to the outside, just along here. We're gonna run the blade. Let's see. That was. You really don't have to apply a lot of pressure. It comes off pretty easily. So this will give it a nice clean edge. There we have it. It did not take super long, and we've got a newly screened screen. There we go. Look at that. So that's how you do it. Now these are ready to be installed.